If you're on a journey to monitor and improve your health and fitness, a smart scale can be a game changer. These intelligent devices not only provide you with accurate weight measurements, but also offer a range of additional insights, making it easier to track your progress. This is a great smart scale, don't get us wrong. The hardware and app are both high quality. The scale is large with a full color display. It shows all the key metrics when you climb on, so you don't need to open the app. There's even the eyes closed mode, which will allow you to track your progress without any measurements appearing on the scale itself. The app is data-rich, with plenty of explanatory information on metrics that might otherwise be nothing more than a dot on a trend line. It measures all the key metrics including fat, muscle, and bone mass, gives you a visceral fat score, and measures your standing heart rate. The problem is that it doesn't offer much more than a budget scale, and is considerably pricier than one. If you're a Withings fitness tracker user and you don't want to spend more to get the body comp, buying the scale is a no-brainer. But if you're a Fitbit user, for example, it may be a harder sell. Our list of the best smart scales is now complete. If you thought this video was helpful, click the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Please express your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful to you in any way so that you won't miss any future videos. Whoever had arrived at this point, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.